Manchester. Today we're going camping, so we have to buy some supplies before we start, but we're not. Hence. So the plan is to go camping. Dogs. Going camping to a place that has nothing. So we've bought almost everything that we need, from a barbecue, instant barbecue thingy, to spoons and cups. Yeah, let's go see how that will go for us. It's quite cold, weirdly, but hopefully it's not gonna be so bad after all. We're going to the Lake District National Park today, day 2. Let's begin. Welcome to Warton Crag. Lots to see. Let's go. What is this path with stuff everywhere? Kokichakani. The hike started with a rough start, and now we are on level ground, which is good. It's a 5-kilometer walk. Let's see how it goes. But so far so good. I love it. It's green and nice and not too hot, not too cold. Red is harder. Long route it is. Fences. Nice. Like hisi kichaka hii yani jamani wanaita park. Anyway, the greener the place, the more therapeutic it is. Greener the place, therapeutic, the more it is. Long. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. There is a beach somewhere on the horizon. Wow. The higher you go, the prettier it gets. Beautiful. Look. Wow. Let's go. Oh. Wow. So beautiful. That's the other one behind there. But this is pretty too. A village down there somewhere. There are mountains on that side. And a path on this one. So pretty. The higher you get, the cooler it becomes. And the windier it gets. So true. Oh, it ended. Still walking. Ouch! A lot of scratchy things. Onto a normal path. Yay! Okay, short-lived normal path. There's no sign here. We don't know if we go that way. Do we go that way? Or do we go that way? No sign. Something about hiking, I don't like going down. Especially steep parts. Let me show you. It is steep. It doesn't show on camera, but it is steep and I don't like it. I guess that's the price you pay for beautiful views. Okay. There we go. We made that one. Good job, Gracie. Okay. We are almost done. Catch me if you can. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, we made it, kind of. Yeah, got you. Good job. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. I'm tired now, but we did it. That was a good hike. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I will see you next weekend. Have a beautiful one.